This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. Claude Fable 5 is finally returning to the market. This comes after a high-stakes standoff between Anthropic and the United States government over export controls and security jailbreaks. The return of Fable 5 marks a shift in how frontier models hit the street. It is no longer a simple product launch, it is now a negotiated deployment. After a 2-week blackout triggered by a report from Amazon researchers on safety bypasses, they moved from arguing that zero jailbreaks are impossible to committing to a structured collaboration with the Commerce Department. This deal includes proactive risk detection and expanded government access to models before they go wide. For the enterprise, the lesson is clear. Relying on a single closed API is a massive operational risk. That regulatory volatility is pushing the industry toward hardware and model sovereignty. We are seeing this in the small scale with projects like Digicom. They are integrating Qwen 2.5, 1.5 billion locally to ensure photo library privacy and avoid cloud dependencies. On the massive scale, Geodu is trying to break the memory wall. They are introducing high bandwidth compute. This architecture stacks DRAM directly on top of the logic to reduce power and /data movement. By burying compute under the memory, they aim to make inference economics viable outside the NVIDIA mode. Better hardware and local weights only solve the technical side. The governance side is more complex. There is a growing debate over whether agents are just code or actually digital employees. The core principle here is human accountability. Even as automation scales, the senior controller remains responsible for the junior agent. This means we are moving away from a sandbag graveyard. I've custom fine-tuning and toured a buy and blend strategy where the human remains the final arbiter of performance. When the human becomes the supervisor, the goal shifts from blind prompting to precise bedacking. New research into contrastive reflection is treating prompt optimization. Instead of guessing, it identifies a coherent slice of errors and successes to target specific repairs. We are seeing similar logic in LearnStop. This is a lightweight system that tells a reasoning model when to stop thinking. It prevents wasting compute on easy questions while ensuring hard ones are not cut off too early. It is about turning the black box of reasoning into a controllable process. Today, we have seen a clear arc from the fragility of centralized APIs to the rise of local sovereignty and structured governance. The transition from treating AI as a magic box to treating it as a pluggable digital employee is where the real enterprise value will be found. It is no longer about who has the biggest model, but who has the most resilient and accountable pipeline. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.